So to do a French knot, you want to take your needle and thread and bring it up through the back of your work as usual, so that the knot is at the back, and pull it all the way through. And then what you're going to do is take your thread in your other hand and wrap it over the top of your needle twice. So once and then twice, and then you're going to poke your needle back through the hole that you just came in through, still keeping hold of that thread, and you're going to pull the needle through really slowly, keeping a bit of tension on the thread in your other hand so that it doesn't get sucked in at the same time. And then just pull it through really, really slowly, and then let go of the thread and pull, and there you have it, French knot.